Hello everyone. Till now we have learned about plants. Now let us go into a new topic, new lesson, animals everywhere. So what do you mean by animals everywhere? Yeah, we see animals around us, right? We don't see the wild animals like tiger, lion, leopard around us. But we do see some other kind of animals like we see dogs, cat. We also see even pigs. You all see even this butterflies, sparrows, pigeons, different kinds of birds. We all see, right? So now let us understand what is meant by animals around us. Now, let us discuss about animals everywhere. So, we know we have a very different, wide variety of animals all around us. Some animals live along with us, like our pet animals. Some animals live in forests. Some animals live in wildlife. Some animals live in water as well, right? Some animals they fly in the air. So we have very wide variety of animals all around us. So now, how these animals perform all the activities? How do we do? See, if we wanted to walk, we walk with our legs. If we want to lift up something, we use our hands. If I want to move from here to here, see how I am moving? I am walking with my legs. In the same way, we all humans walk with our legs, right? If I am breathing, how I am using my nose. The lungs are helping me to take in air and take out the air. In the same way, we have different mechanisms for each and every animal which is present, okay, along with this. So now let us explore what are the different types, what are the different methods, how they are different from us, okay? Yeah, let's begin. First, breathing in animals. See, in your textbook you have the same picture I have put here. So now, first look at this amoeba. Do you all know what's the shape of amoeba? Yes, it's shapeless. Does it have any organs? No, it doesn't even have any organs. Amoeba can be in any form. Okay? It doesn't have any form. It's a very simple organism which is viewed under microscope. Now, first one is breathing in animals. First comes amoeba. How do you think amoeba breathes? As how we do, like we have lungs, so we breathe with the help of our lungs. Does amoeba have lungs? No, it doesn't have lungs. Then how does this amoeba breathe? It uses its body surface for taking in oxygen and sending out carbon dioxide. So what does happen in this breathing? In breathing, the basic thing is we take in oxygen and they send out carbon dioxide. Understood? So now in the same way, amoeba takes in oxygen and sends out carbon dioxide. Okay, all these amoeba, paramecium, these are all some examples of small animals, very small microscopic organisms. Okay, which take in oxygen, take out the carbon dioxide with the help of their body surface. Now, when you look at this grasshopper, it's a insect, right? It flies. It's an insect. Now, how does this insect take in air and take out the air? How it breathe in and breathe out the air? See, it has on the side part of the body, it has spiracles. What is this spiracles? What is the use of this spiracles? Is they breathe in air and they breathe out. They breathe in the oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide with the help of these things. And they don't have hemoglobin, the content which carries oxygen to all parts of the body. They don't have that hemoglobin. Okay? What happens then? How do they carry their blood? How do they carry the oxygen through blood? They carry through pipes. They have air pipes connected. So with the help of these air pipes, they carry out carbon dioxide to the outside and they carry carbon dioxide to inside. Now, if you take this earthworm, see, even it is very simple organism, even it doesn't have complex lungs like us, right? Then how does they do? They breathe with the help of the moist skin. Okay, now, if you take fish lives only inside the water, right? If you take out the fish, it dies. Then how does it get oxygen? How does it breathe? it have the pair of gills on the both the sides of their neck. See, both the sides of their neck. If this is their neck, they have this side and this side gills. In this gills, when the water enters through the gills, they take the oxygen, and when the water goes out, they send the carbon dioxide out. They absorb the oxygen present in the water. In this manner, all the fishes, not only fishes, all the organisms living in water take in the air. We also have some exceptions. Okay? Now, when you take this, see, frog. Okay? When you consider frog lives both on land as well as in water, right? It is an amphibian. So, during the tadpole conditions, like when it is during a baby condition, this is called as tadpole. When this tadpole frog is present in water, it breathes with the help of gills. It takes in the oxygen and takes out the carbon dioxide with the help of this gills. Okay? When the frog is present in the water, after growing also the frog goes into the water, it stays in the water. For some time it comes out and it jumps on the land, right? When it is outside, when it is inside the water, it takes oxygen with the help of the moist skin present. Okay? It has moist skin on the back side of the body. Like if this is the frog has very awkward image, right? It is not so looking good. So when it takes oxygen, it takes to the back side of its body, the lower surface of the body. And when it is on the land, it takes the help of lungs. Now, we all are called as mammals. So how mammals take oxygen and they send out carbon dioxide? It's with the help of lungs. They take in the air with the help of nose, it carries to the lungs. In lungs, oxygen is taken and carbon dioxide is sent out through nose. Not only in the humans, in all kind of mammals, this procedure happens in the same way. Whale is a mammal, right? So, though it is present in water, it breathes with the help of lungs. Okay? Understood? Yes. Now, movement in animals. I already told you. How do we move? We move with the help of our legs. If you want to move something, if you want to push, if you want to pull, if you want to take, we use our hands with movements. Then, how does the other animals do? How does the other animals move? So, we have got pair of limbs. So, every organism has got pair of limbs. Now, for example, if you take this horse, it is having forelimbs and hind limbs. Forelimbs are the limbs which are present in the front side of the body, and hind limbs are present in the back side of the body. See, with the use of these limbs, a horse runs. Okay, it runs, right? It runs very fastly, right? So with the help of these limbs it runs. Then how does this fish move? Does fish have legs? No. Then how does the fish move? It has pair of fins. With the help of fins and with this help of tail, it pushes the water and it pushes the water like this. Have you ever observed how the fish moves in an aquarium? Like this. So it pushes the water and it moves. So in that way it uses its pair of fins and tail to move in the water. So in the same way they use. See now, when it comes to turtle, what happens to turtle? When turtle uses its both hind limbs and forelimbs for movement. How does penguins move? They use forelimbs to move. How does the frog move? Frog uses its limbs when it is in water, like it moves. When it is on the land, it jumps, right? Does frog walk like this? No, it jumps. Okay? It uses its forelimbs and hind limbs for jumping. Now, see, this is kangaroo. They use their limbs for jumping. Locust. If you see locust, they have pair of wings. Some insects have 8 pairs of legs in which they use for movement. Some organisms have wings. These insects have wings which are not similar with birds. They are only just wings with no feather, no muscle and no bone. Okay? In that way they move. See, butterflies also have this bedbugs also. Okay? They have legs. Butterflies use its wings for movement. Bedbugs use their legs for movement. Now, how do birds? See, they have wings and they have these legs. which helps in their activity. If they want to catch some prey, like if they want to catch any insect which they are eating, if they want to carry, how will they do? Some of them use their claws to do. Some of them use their beaks. And not all birds have the ability to fly. Does hen fly in the air as how a parrot flies? No. Does peacock fly as how an eagle flies? No, because their wings are not so strong, which helps them for flying. Okay, now crocodile and snake. Snake has scales. Okay, with the help of those scales, it is able to crawl on the ground, and it has a very flexible backbone, which helps in free movement. They do not have any limbs. Now, how do we already know? We have 2 legs and 2 hands. We use our legs for walking, we use our hands for taking, grabbing something. See, we have thumbs and fingers, right? Now, movement is being divided into 3 areas. In water, in air and on land. In water, how do they move? By swimming. In air, by flying. On land, crawling, walking or running. So we have different examples. Now, fishes use their fins. Pedal-like leaves are being used by tortoise. Webbed feet are being used by frog. Wings and feathers. Wings and scales. Snakes use only scales. See, crocodile has short legs, right? They use the short legs for movement. So they use short legs. Long and strong legs. Deer has the ability to jump. Okay? It runs very fast to escape from the tiger. Tiger also have very strong legs, right? In this way, we have different types of procedures in